Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's try this healthy version of Barfi, Instant Besan Barfi. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add roasted chana into a clean air-dried blender. Also add desiccated coconut and raisins. Cover the lid tight and blend all these ingredients for about a minute. You're gonna need a flat container to make barfi. I have used this lunch box tray. You can also use any box or a tin tray. Spread the barfi mixture evenly onto your container. Now start patting it tight with a spoon or spatula that has a flat surface. You can also use steel tumblers or any container with flat surface. Spread it evenly and pat it really tight until you find it firm. You can have this barfi right away, or you also have an option to freeze it. Freeze it for about an hour and it will be really tasty. And that's all. Transfer it into your serving plate and make small cubes of it. This instant barfi will be literally ready within 5 minutes. And as you can see, it's a healthy version. I have not added sugar or oil. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Wishing all my viewers a very healthy, happy and safe Diwali. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.